Hello children, welcome to my new session, and today I am going to explain chapter 5 more on addition of your class. Student, more on addition means something new on addition, how to add by different methods. In our previous topic, in the previous chapter, we have done addition by a lot of different methods, like by slanting lines we have done, by making dots, by drawing objects, and with the help of hopping line. Now today I am going to explain two more methods of addition. So the first one is addition without regrouping, or we can also call addition without carrying, right? So let's take one example for this. Suppose my question is add, and the number are 22 plus 7. Right student? So here we can see that the first number is of 2-digit number and second is a 1-digit number. So for the solving of this question, first of all we have to write the places also, because in this method we have to write first place values and arrange the digits, arrange the number at their correct place in the column form. So this is the bigger number 22 and the next is 7. We can write this number like this, and here no number is there, we can use a plus sign. Now start adding this. So the rule, what is the rule here? First of all, add the ones. Add the ones. And what is the second here? Add the tens. Right? So this is the point, how do we add two numbers. So let's start adding. 7 plus 2, when you count on fingers or orally you can do. So the answer is 9 here. Student, here nothing is there in the second number, so you can note down this number directly here without adding anything. So the sum is 29. Okay student, let's take one more example to clear this topic. And my second example is, if I take in add 90 plus 4. This also, how can you do? Again, what you have to do first, write the ones and tens place, write number accordingly column wise. So 90 is on top because this is a bigger number, and write 4 here. Now we have already discussed, when we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. So 0 plus 4 is 4, and again 9 is alone, this is a single number, so we can directly note down this number. So 94. So in this way student, how can we add two numbers? In this way, first of all we have to write in column form, write the ones and tens digit number, tens place. Why tens place? Because the bigger number is of 2-digit number. Let's take one more example student. Okay student, now let's take one more example, but in this example I have take both the numbers of 2-digit. So my question is add 52 and 34. This time I will take an example of both the numbers of 2-digit, but the methods are again same. First of all, write ones and tens place, leave one line here. Now start writing the number 52 and then 34. The methods are same. First add the ones and second add the tens. Right? If it is a 3-digit number, then you can add the tens also, but here only 2-digit number are there. So let's start with the ones place. Always start with the ones place, whether you are doing addition or subtraction or any other operation. Always we have to start from the ones place. So 2 plus 4 you can already do without counting on figures also. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Now come to the tens place, 5 plus 3, and this is 80. So 86 is the sum of the number. Now student, I want to take one more example that again is of 2-digit number. Both the numbers are of 2-digit. Add 50 and 40. Student, I hope you understand the method how to add the two numbers. So ones and tens, then leave one line, then 50, write in the column form, and 40. Let's start with the ones place. Here the ones place, both the ones place are 0. So 0 plus 0, again the sum is 0. Right student, because this is a property of addition of 0. When we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. So here 0 is added to 0, so the sum is 0. Now come to the tens place. 5 plus 4 here is 9. So in this way you can also do how to add two numbers with the help of this method. This is called without regrouping, without carrying. We are not making a group of tens in ones place. So this is the method. Now student, this is the second method of adding any two numbers, addition with regrouping or carrying. This time we have to make a group of ones and tens number. Ones and tens place we have to make a group in the numbers. So let's discuss how we do this, and regrouping may be needed during addition. So let's check out the method out. So here is the method. After regrouping, the tens are carried to the tens place, right? So how can we do this? Let's take one example. Without example, the methods are not clear to everyone. So let's take the example. The example is 25. Add 25 and 70. So first of all, what we have to do, students? We have to write the places, because in these two methods we have to write the number in column form. Column wise, first we have to write the numbers, and then we start adding from the ones place. First we have written the number. This is called column form. Column wise we have written the number. Place values are also there, and make one line, leave one line, make the box here just to carry number, or when we regroup we need this box. So again, let's start with the ones place. When we add 1 here, so what is the sum when we add? So let's add the ones. So when we add the ones, the sum is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. So how can we regroup this, student? So here 12 is, we can write like 12 is 1 tens and 2 ones, right? We can distribute these two numbers. 1 to 12, two digit number are there, 12. So in this 2 is come on ones place and 1 is on tens place. So student, we have to write, we can also, the 2 is there and this 1 carry is on the next number. So now start adding the tens place digit. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So this is the answer, and this is the way how to regroup with the next place. Student, here what is the method? Write 2 under ones place, right, and carry 1 tens to tens place. This is the method. So there is a, don't write these, this is the step how to regroup, only we have to do like this. I want to take one more example where this time I have taken the first number is of 2 digit and the next number is of 1 digit. So this is my question. Don't be so confused when one is 1 digit number and another is that one. So the methods are same, 84. And student, this is only 1 digit number, so you have to write this number only at the ones place. This time the tens place is blank. According to the rule, add the ones. When we add ones, 4 plus 8, the sum is 12. This is same as the above question, no problem. Write this 2 in the ones place and this one is carried to the next one. Now add tens. 1 plus 8, because there is no number is there, so 1 plus 8 is 9. So this is the way to do the addition with the without grouping or regrouping method. Now student, I hope you understand both the method of addition. This is with regrouping or carrying, or the next, before we have done one more method, that is without regrouping. So these are the two methods. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you, student.